Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add PayPal to your Google Wallet. So, first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you have your Google Wallet right here, downloaded and logged into your phone. So, here, this is your Google Wallet. So, once you're done logging into your Google Wallet, open your Play Store and tap on your profile at the top right corner. And then from here, just tap on the payments and subscriptions. So in here, just go ahead and click on the payment methods. And from here, you have the option to add PayPal. So click on that one. And in here, just have to put here the email address that you use on your PayPal and as well as the phone number. So once you're done, just tap on allow at the bottom. And then here they will ask you to log into your PayPal to confirm your account. So go and tap on login to PayPal. And then you just have to put here you just have to log in here your PayPal account. So just tap on login and then they will ask for a verification. So you will just have to choose from these and then tap on receive a text and then type in here your code and continue. So once your identity is confirmed, you just have to go back to your Google Pay rather, and then tap on accept. And that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!